Kampung Islami Toibah site. This is Mr. Pak Ronald Wijaya, who is the director of PT
Assalamualaikum.
Right, so you can see that's our banner right at the front. And over here, this is the bridge that we built. It was our first project that we did the construction work order, and this bridge gave returns of about 23% to investors in about 2 to 3 months. So you can see this is the river that we built the bridge over, and over on that side there's the edge or the end of our land. You can see people working on the land, doing the land development. In the middle here, our land stretches all the way till the end. Right over, you can see at the horizon there's a chicken coop. Right? So the chicken coop is the end of the land. It's not very clear because it's very far, but you can see how big the land is. And over on this side, you can see land development as well as real estate development of our properties that we're building. So this project will build 1,200 houses over 2 to 3 year period. And we're starting with this plot over here, where we are building about 196 units, which are all already sold. Right? So I'll show you the show flat. Let's get show flat. The initial funding from Club Atis members was used to do the land development. So the road, the basic road infrastructure, as well as the drainage and electrification was crowdfunded by Club Atis. And right now, now we are crowdfunding the construction of the actual units. So here on the left you can see the first show flat, and on the right, show unit, sorry. And over here you can see the other show unit. Yeah. So it's a small unit meant for a family. A typical Indonesian family, 3 to 4 kids and the parents. And these people are usually not based in this area. They come here to work, and they work in the industrial areas nearby. Around this area you have Hitachi and a few other big brands with their industrial facilities. Alright, so that's an overview of Kampung Islami, and we'll go a bit off-road onto this very basic road underlying surface. And you can see on that side we're already constructing units that was crowdfunded. So we crowdfunded 50 units initially. Right now we're crowdfunding another 50, and next month we'll be crowdfunding another 100 units, development of 100 units.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay, so I'll do one cool round turn, and you can see this is our project, the Kampung Islami project in the outskirts of Jakarta.